To ensure Galaxy Ring's capabilities, a good fit is essential. But what if you don't know your size? When ordering your Galaxy Ring on Samsung.com, select No, I don't know my size, and click Continue. You'll notice a Galaxy Ring sizing kit in your cart along with your ring. Follow the steps to complete your purchase. You will receive the sizing kit first, which will contain 9 rings in the sizes 5 through 13. The Galaxy Ring can be worn on any finger, so decide which you prefer. And when sizing yourself, position the external indicator line on the palm side. You're looking for a fit that is not too tight or too loose, so take your time in evaluating which size feels best. The sizing ring should fit snugly, and your finger should be comfortable when you move it. Keep the sizing ring on for 24 hours to account for fluctuations in your finger size, including sleep and exercise. Now that the fit feels right, follow the link in your email to enter your size and order your Galaxy Ring. Show off your personal style on the outside while gaining the data to improve your health on the inside with the Samsung Galaxy Ring.